And Ely, how hot are those temperatures going to get today?
It's going to be hitting the triple digits. And to be honest, I love when it gets warm here in El Paso. I'm just the type of person that's like a cat, just likes to be under the sun all the time. But let's look at the current temperatures at the moment. 66 in Sierra Blanca, 76 in El Paso, 67 in Las Cruces, and 53 in Cloud Crop. So they always tend to be a little bit cooler than we do. That being said, we're going to be in a dry pattern. So that means that we're going to be increasing in the temperature, but the moisture will be back for tomorrow. As you see here, our forecast highs will be around 102 in El Paso, 100 in Las Cruces, hitting those triple digits, and around the area around 90s, low to upper 90s as you see. And Cloud Crop again always going to be slightly cooler with 75 degrees. So that being said, if you're going to go outside, make sure you wear your sunblock to prevent your skin from getting damaged from the UV rays. Now let's look at the hour by hour temperatures. As you see here, around 10 a.m. maybe the time you go out for lunch will be around 85 degrees, so quite nice but still warm. But as you see, it starts to go up and hitting 104 around 4 p.m. being the hottest. So be careful when you're going out there. Again, we're not in danger zone just yet. It's usually around 104 when we're going to be hitting those dangerous temperatures. Now let's look at the winds. As you see, 5 miles per hour winds in El Paso, 7 in Las Cruces, so it's nothing much to worry about. It's just going to be a light breeze. Honestly, it feels a little bit nicer. However, throughout the day, you're going to be seeing that slowly going to be increasing. As you see, 22 in Tornillo is going to be, this is when it gets a little bit of an annoyance. You might see some lighter objects being flown away. Maybe your trash can gets blown off. However, as you see around Sunday around 10 a.m. you're going to be seeing that the temperature, those mile per hour winds are going to get a little bit higher and higher, and even reaching the 30 mile per hour in El Paso. So that's when it gets a little bit more annoying. We don't want anything to fly away, so make sure you break it down. Now here's the Doppler radar. As you see, there's not a lot of activity going on, but there is a chance there is going to be some storms, but mostly in the southeast. Now let's look at our future track 7 days. As you see, there's going to be the possibility of the rainstorms, but mostly on Monday, and it starts to slowly trickle down. And as you see, the temperatures are going to be about mid 90s, but again for today hitting 102, so it's going to get extremely hot. And for Las Cruces, I see there's still going to be the chances of that rainfall, but they're going to be slightly lower in temperatures and 102 day for Saturday. Now let's go back to you, Olivia.